Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Raft Survival on Nintendo Switch. To begin your adventure, immediately start collecting floating debris around your small raft. Use your initial plastic hook to grab wood, plastic, and leaves from the vast ocean. Your first crucial steps involve crafting a water purifier and a basic grill to ensure you have fresh water and cooked food. Expanding your raft with new foundations is also key for more space. Effective resource management is vital for long-term survival. Always be on the lookout for floating barrels and crates, which often contain valuable materials like scrap metal and rope. The crafting menu is your best friend, allowing you to construct everything from fishing rods to advanced machinery. Remember to monitor your hunger and thirst levels closely. Staying hydrated and fed is paramount. Organize your inventory using storage chests to prevent clutter. The ocean is not always friendly. A persistent shark will regularly attempt to destroy your raft's foundations. You'll need to craft a sturdy spear or a bow and arrows to defend your floating home from this aquatic menace. Always repair any damaged raft sections immediately to maintain its integrity. As you progress, consider building walls and fences to create secure areas for your character and important crafting stations. Beyond your raft, the vast ocean holds many secrets. Explore small islands for rare resources like metal ore and clay, and to discover new crafting blueprints. Once you have enough materials, build a sail and a rudder to gain control over your raft's movement. Later, construct a receiver and antenna to pinpoint larger, more significant islands. These larger landmasses often contain story elements and advanced resources, guiding your journey forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.